Hello my dear students, I heartily welcome you all in this session, our subject Mathematics Class 8 Standard. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. In this section, we are going to learn our next chapter, Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Dear students, what are expressions? It is not our facial expressions. There is a mathematical word and mathematical concept is expression. In earlier classes, we have already become familiar with the algebraic expressions or simple expressions. Example, x plus 3, 3y plus 4, like x square plus y square plus 2, like that, or 4xy plus 8. These are some expressions. You can form many expressions. As you know, expressions are formed from a variable constant. These are variables. The expressions like 2y plus 5 is formed from the variable y and constants 2 and 5. 2 and 5 are constants. The expressions 4xy plus 7 is formed variable by x and y, constants 4 and 7. We know that value of y in expression 2y plus 5 may be anything. It may be 2, 5, 0, 3 minus 3, 5 by 2, 7 by 3, any number. Here any number it is. Actually, countless different values. The value of an expression changes with the value chosen for the variables it contains. Thus, y takes on different values. In 2y minus 5 you going changing, where y is equal to 2. Like if in a 2y plus 5, y may be 1. It may be 2 and 2 plus 5, it may be 7. Or y may be 2. Is it? 2 2s are 4 plus 5, 9. So when y is equal to 0, if y is equal to 0 plus 5, it is 0 plus 5, 5. It may be any value. Understand? Number line and expression. Consider the expression x plus 5 on a number line. See, it is a number line. Is it? So think xp. Here this is x and from here it is 5. X may be anywhere of the number line, but it is definite that value x plus 5 is given by a point P. 5 units of a right of a x, similarly the value of a x minus 4 will be 4 units of the left x as soon. Terms, factors and coefficient. Take an expression 4x plus 5. This expression is made of two terms, 4x and 5. 4x and 5. Terms are added to form these expressions. Terms that themselves can be formed as the product of factors. The term 4x is the product of its factor 4 and x. They both are products. The term 5 is made up of just one factor. This is made of two factor product. In the expression 4xy plus minus 5x has two terms, x, 7xy and minus 5x. The term 7xy is a product of factor 7xy. These are product. 7 into x into y. It means not 7 plus x plus 5. The numerical factor of a term is called a numerical coefficient or a simple. It is coefficient of xy. This coefficient in the term 7xy is 7 and the coefficient in the term minus 5x is minus 5. Monomials, binomials and polynomials. These are expressions that contains only one term is called mono. Mono means one. Mono means one. If it have one term, it is called monomials. Expression that contain two terms, bi means two, binomials. An expression contain three terms, it is trinomial, and so on. In general, an expression contain one or more terms with a non-zero coefficient. The coefficient should not be 0. That is called a polynomials. Polynomials. See examples for monomial. It is 4x square, 3xy. It is one factor. 7xy, 8x, like that. Binomials, a plus b, 4l plus 2, 9x minus 3, like that. Two factors should be there. If polynomials, a plus b plus c plus d, 3xy, 7xyz minus 10, like that. These are difference. Like and unlike terms. See here, some example are there. 14x minus 13x, is it 5x square, 7xy. See, in this we have to separate the terms, like and non-like. Minus 9y square minus 9x square minus 5yx, is it? So here xx, which have coefficient of x, make one side. If coefficient of y, there make it one side. Like here 7x, 14x minus 13x are like terms. These are like terms, like same terms. Like 5x square and minus 9x square, x square, 2x squares are there. These are like terms, is it? And like 7xy minus yx are like terms. Yes, 7x and 7y are unlike terms because their coefficient are different. These are likes and unlike terms. Adding and subtracting of algebraic expressions I will solve in exercise. Here let us solve exercise 6.1. Identify the term, their coefficient for each of the following expressions. First solution, you have to make a table. What they have asked, you make it one table. SN number, expressions, terms and coefficient. First one, 5xyz square minus 3xzy. Here terms 5xyz square and minus zy. Their coefficient 5 and minus 3 are coefficient. Second one, 1 plus x square. Here terms 1x x square. Their coefficient here 1, 1, 1. Their coefficient is 1, 1, 1. Like that you list remaining. Next one, classify the following polynomials are monomials, binomials and trinomials. Which polynomials do not fit in any of these categories? I have done it. Do it. Add the following. First one, AB minus BC, BC minus CA, CA minus AB. Let us write AB minus BC plus BC minus CA plus CA minus AB. Here, like terms we have to add, unlike terms we should not add. Like AB, and here where is another AB? Like that, right here. AB minus AB. There, whatever sign is there, that only we have to write. Next, minus BC, here plus BC. Minus CA plus CA. Let's cancel, all will cancel, 0 will get. Second one, A minus B plus AB plus B minus C plus BC plus C minus A plus AC. Here let us write A minus B plus AB plus B plus into minus minus C plus into plus plus BC plus C minus plus into minus minus A plus into plus AC. Now here A plus A and here it is minus A plus B and this minus B plus C and minus C, which are remaining AB plus AB plus BC and plus AC are remaining, AC or C. So here these all cancel, A minus A, B minus A and C minus A, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus AB plus BC plus CA, AB plus BC plus CA. This is our answer. We have to add like this. Same subtraction also. Solve the remaining. This is homework for you. Thank you.